lovely little Evo 10. So good. I can't wait. What's cracking, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today it is for the Evo 8 build. So we're picking up a part that we dropped off at the body shop the other day to get painted, and it's a part that I honestly think the Evo 8 should have come with from the start, and it's going to make it look so much more aggressive and just better in general. So we're picking it up today, and then in 2 days time we're actually going to take it to Gary to get it fitted, because one, it was an expensive part and I don't want to get it wrong, and two, there's also some electrical stuff that needs doing, but also three, there's some other stuff we want to have a look at doing very soon for the Evo that Gary's going to be doing, which is just going to make it so much better. So we're going to head inside, we're going to pick up that part, and we'll catch up with you in a bit.
Okay guys, so it's Saturday morning, it's day 2 of the video, and we're heading over to Gary to get the part fitted. We actually dropped it off with him the other day after we picked it up because it wouldn't have fitted in the Evo, so I had to take it over in the family wagon. But yeah, we're just on the way, but I just want to talk a little bit about what is going to also be happening with the car. So winter time is coming up very soon. We said we had one more show, no more shows, but we now might have one more. So we're going to try and do Mod Live at Snetterton, which is a local show for us. The weather is looking good, and it's actually a glorious day today. So when I took the car out with Adam, if you saw that video of the reactions, then great. If you haven't, go and watch it. The car has had a slight few changes since then. We had like the pop and bang stuff changed a little bit, so it was more burbly, and it's now more pop and bangy. So I'm just going to do a few pulls with you. I also was probably a little bit reserved with Adam on that video because, you know, just being too much of a pussy about it, I was going to say. So I'm just going to do a few pulls for you, and hopefully you'll hear the pop and bang this time. I think it's still going. That must have been like at least a good 8 seconds of popping and banging there. I'm gonna have to have a word with Gary. I thought we only dialed this in for like 2 seconds. The thing, I swear, it's still going. Oh, this is insane. This car is mad. Standard Saturdays, it's turning into a common occurrence here at AP Tuning. But had a chat with the owner about this lovely little Evo 10, making 390 brake, really nice. But I'll give you a sneak peek. What do you think's going on? Have a look at what's being changed. Can you guess what is happening to my car? What's missing? It's gonna look so good. I can't wait. So guys, hopefully you know by now, we've basically changed over the bumper on the Evo and it looks amazing. Let me show you how it looks, because it just looks so much better. Look at that. It looks so much cleaner and it just looks more aggressive, and the exhaust just sits so much nicer in there as well. The car just it gives it a booty. It actually makes the car look wider from the back, more aggressive. It just looks so much better. So that bumper is amazing, the exhaust sits better, but also
we've done something else today which makes the car sound even better as well. So when we had the map done last time, you'll remember we spoke about the fact that the airflow meter was basically unplugged and it doesn't work anymore. So what Gary has done today is changed over this pipe that we got sent through. We now don't have a blow-off valve. So this was the recirculating pipe. We're going to leave that on for now just because otherwise we need to get a bung in there, and Gary's really busy because he's going away for a few days. So you'll see through here it's basically just sat unplugged, but this pipe is irrelevant, okay, especially at this end. So this pipe has gone on and replaced where the blow-off valve would basically come off when it used to be a hard pipe. And then what we're going to do down the line is the airflow meter doesn't work anymore. We've unplugged that, so we're going to get a new induction kit, so that will all be changed. And then this pipe needs to go to Gary just so he can sort out which induction kit ideally we want to get, with the setup we want to go through really, and the setup we want to have for the car. But the car, when you're driving, makes some amazing turbo spooling noises. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to give you one last shot of the bumper because it just looks so sick, and it is such a better look, and it should have been done from the start when they made the Evo 8. There we go. Enjoy that view. Hopefully the sun's not making it look too bad or blocking your perfect view, because it does look absolutely amazing. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to get in the car now, set you up for some POV, drive home, and hopefully you'll hear some really good spooling noises, because the car makes those a lot better now that that blow-off valve has been deleted. So much better. Listen to the spool. All home and tucked away. There's only one issue for me with this. One issue, and it's that slight little gap here. And I don't know if it's something to do with it being a JDM car, but the bracket on the Evo 8 for this, I don't know if it must be for a JDM one over, I don't know, it might be, it might not be, but basically the guys had a hard time actually fitting the new bracket. So that's the only thing, it's that tiny gap, but that's not going to bother me that much because I still think it looks amazing. I am so chuffed with it, I'm so chuffed. But yeah, it was just something to do with how the bracket would fit. Like the upgraded bracket that's supposed to fit and is made to fit, and it's the standard kind of upgrade you would do when you're going to an Evo 9, was just a little bit off, but meh. You can't really see too much. The only other thing Gary said I might need to do as well is paint this tow hook if I decide to do it. I kind of might leave it that colour because it's, in a way, it's kind of not too far off this. The paint job as well by my paint guy on this for the matching it is spot on. It looks amazing. Gary and the guys fitting that. The car sounds so much better. It looks so much better. I am absolutely chuffed. Same as always. Let me know what you think. Like, share, subscribe, because that subscription is going to be the big thing that helps me the most, guys. So please, if you haven't, hit that subscription button. We'll see you in the next one. Peace out.